Hello friends, let us go through one concept, heating effect of electric current. Now we will see few common symbols of electric components which we will use in various circuits. This is an electric cell. We can see picture and the symbol. Third is the symbol, second is the picture of electric cell. This is electric bulb. Third one is the symbol for electric bulb which we will use in circuit diagram. This is the switch in off position. This is the switch in on position. These are few common electric components. We will use these symbols in various circuits. We will try to learn this concept by doing some activity. This is the first activity. Let us try to build the circuit as shown in the figure. What is shown in the figure? There is a one electric bulb, one cell and one switch which is in a off position. While building this circuit, cell is connected to bulb by wires via key or a switch. Let us go through some steps to do this activity. Now switch is in off mode. Now touch the bulb. You will feel it is cold. Now turn on the switch. Let the bulb glow for a minute. Now touch the bulb for a second. In first case, the switch was in off position. In that case, we have touched the bulb. Now we have turned the switch on for a minute and we have touched the bulb for a second time. You will feel the difference in the temperature of a bulb. This was the first activity. Let us go for a second activity. Again, this is another circuit. Take 10 to 15 centimeter long nichrome wire. Tie it to two pins as shown in the figure. What figure shows? There are two pins tied by some wire which is the nichrome wire. Connect these two pins to cell by wires. Touch the nichrome wire when the switch is in the off mode. Now turn on the switch for a minute. Now touch the wire again. Again you will feel the temperature difference. From these two activities, we can say that the bulb in a first activity and a nichrome wire in a second activity become hot when an electric current passes through it. This is the heating effect of electric current. So what is heating effect of electric current? When current passes through bulb or wire, it gets heated. This is the heating effect of electric current. This heating effect of electric current is used in a various day-to-day life appliances. Let us see the use of this effect. Some applications, that is use. The heating effect of electric current is used in an electric heater, iron, kettle, room heater, water heater. All these appliances contain coil which is generally made up of nichrome alloy. When these appliances are connected to a power supply, appropriate current flows through it. Consequently, heat is produced due to the heating of a wire. The amount of heat produced in the coil depends upon its material, length and thickness. So all these appliances contain nichrome wire which get heated due to current passing through it, and we can use that heat for various things. Like electric heater, we can cook food on electric heater. We can iron our clothes due to this heating effect of electric current. We can boil water in a kettle. Room heater keeps our room warm. All these are effects of heating effect of electric current. Some other applications like bulb. Electric bulbs are based upon the heating effect of electric current. When a current passes through a thin tungsten filament, it becomes hot and emits light. Another example or application is fuse. An electric fuse is a safety device. It is used to prevent damage to an electrical circuit due to flow of excessive electric current. It is always connected in a series. It is made up of PB, that is lead, and its alloy, which works within a certain limit. That is, if the current increases beyond the limit, the wire in an electric fuse melts. Due to this, circuit gets broken and current cannot flow through it. Thus, a fuse prevents fire and other damages. So these are some uses or applications of heating effect of electric current. In this session, we have seen heating effect of electric current and its some applications. Thank you.